Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a very brief walkthrough on a 2020 South Bay 525 that just came in on trade. This is a 25-foot tri-tune here, and it does come with a painted Shorelander trailer shown below. Nice boarding ladder as we get inside here. Center walkthrough, couches on either side, and floor storage. Has the captain and co-captain seating. Flip up bolsters on these seats, and then also the either bow or stern jump seat. Really nice setup here at the helm. Simrad display, standard tacks and gauges, all Bluetooth, Polka audio, tilt steering wheel. Up at the tower, this is a power tower with 2 speakers up there as well, and it does have a bimini top and boot, and then also one of our tow points. And if you look back here, got a ski tow bar, a white Mercury, 250 horsepower, Minn Kota power pole, and then it's also optioned with a grill. It's a really nice setup. This is a 2020 South Bay 525. It's located here in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, please stop on by or give us a call. Thanks.